Sen, may kaso na pong sinampa po sa akin na invoke my right po.
Kasi imposible ikaw mag-prepare nito. Abogado lang nakaka-prepare nito eh. Sinong abogado nag-prepare nito at pinirmahan mo 1.5 months ahead of the counter affidavit?
Opo, Sen, may kaso na po final po sa akin. I invoke my right against self-incrimination po.
But Attorney Ko, don't you agree na abogado lang nakaka-prepare nitong ganitong, not an ordinary person can prepare such a document?
I agree, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Sherwin. Attorney Ko, pwede bang tanungin lang nandito ba si Yusek T ng DOJ or sinong resource person from DOJ?
Good morning, Madam
Yes,
Sen.
good morning.
Prosecutor Gatdula po representing DOJ.
Yes, Prosecutor Gatdula. Under the new rules, notary is allowed if prosecutor is unavailable.
Yes,
Pwede
Your Honor.
po ba kayong mag-expound sa rule na to?
Yes, Your Honor. Under the new rules po ng Department of Justice, the only time that a person can have the counter affidavit notarized outside of DOJ, Your Honor, if there are no prosecutors available. But considering, Your Honor, please, that this case, there are plenty available prosecutors, Your Honor, in the Department of Justice. So basically, Your Honor, the notarization of the counter affidavit is really without any effect, Your Honor, please.
So talagang from the get-go, malabo po yung dinaan ng proseso nitong counter affidavit na ito. And actually, we don't even have to belabor the defects of the notary. We already know it's fatally flawed. And base sa pagpaliwanag nyo dyan sa rule na iyon, fatally flawed talaga. And ang totoong issue ay yung complicity. At babalikan ko rin ni Mayor Kalugay, no, at yung contribution niya sa panloloko sa bayan. Salamat, Prosecutor Gatdula. Yes, Senator Joel.
And with the indulgence of our distinguished colleagues here, I think it's also right to give chance to Attorney Galicia if he can also make a comment. And Attorney Galicia, you have heard the testimony of Guo Huaping alias Alice. She made mention that she signed this document way before she left the country. Kayo ho yung nadidiin dito more than anyone. And in the affidavit that we got here, kayo ho yung nakapirma at nakalagay po doon, and I will pound it again, subscribed and sworn before me. Narinig niyo po yung sinabi ni alias Alice, narinig niyo po yung sinabi ni Kath, ni Miss G, at ni Cheryl. Siguro marapat lamang, Attorney Galicia, na marinig po namin kayo sa pagkakataong ito.
Attorney Galicia, briefly please, if you can address the question of Senator Joel.
Biktima po ako. I am invoking my right against self-incrimination po. The matter had
Attorney,
already been
please.
Biktima
Please
po
don't
kayo?
take the track of Guo Huaping. Ang mas mabuti po ay sagutin nyo ng makatotohanan yung mga tanong namin. Please, return to the question of Senator Joel.
Again, Your Honor, I'm invoking my right against self-incrimination because that will tend to incriminate against me, Your Honor.
All right. SP Pro Tempore.
Just one last thing, Madam Chair.
All right, one last,
Sabi
Senator
po ni
Joel.
Alice, alias Alice, pinirmahan niya ito way before she left the country. Sabi ni Kat, pinatawagan si Cheryl para alamin kung sino ang pwedeng abogado na papayag sa gusto nila na magnonotaryo ng isang public document. Nakita man, hindi nakita, anuman laman ng dokumento, inonotarize niya. At ang nakalagay po doon ang inyong pangalan. Muli po, Attorney Galicia, binibigyan po kayo ng Senado ng pagkakataon. You owe it to yourself, you owe it to your family, you owe it to the Filipino people. Alam niyo po ba ang mga pinagagagawa niyo when you affix your signature? Again, in the public document that's here before us, it says there's sworn, subscribed, and sworn before me. At dito ho, napatunayan na lahat na ng dokumento, gabundok na dokumento, gabundok na mga testimonya, sinasabing wala na si Alice Guo. At mismong si alias Alice, sinabing pirmahan niya ito way before she left the country. Muli po, binibigyan po namin kayo ng huling pagkakataon, Attorney Galicia, para marinig ang inyong panig, Attorney Galicia.
I will be, Your Honorable Senator, I'm maintaining what I declared before and the result of the executive session that we had.
All right, Attorney. Senator Joel, thank you.
Then, Madam
Please.
Chair, we don't have any other choice but to bring out the information that was given to us before, Madam
And
Chair.
actually, Senator Joel, Attorney Galicia, itong mga bagong facts na itinatanong din sa inyo, lumabas na po in open hearing. Hindi lamang dun sa executive session. So, may I remind you, you are obliged to respond. You are continuing to be under oath before this committee, Attorney Galicia. Please, one
Because,
more
Madam
chance
Chair,
to address the question of
because, Madam
Senator
Chair,
Joel.
it would
before I
appear
continue my
now,
questions.
because you're the one invoking whatever right you wanted to invoke, and we are only looking for the truth. You are now saying, Madam Chair, that you have been lying to this committee the whole time. In his first appearance in this honorable committee, Madam Chair.
Attorney Galicia, please, be as frank as you can be sa komiteng ito. Kasi talagang lumabas na, sinabi na ng DOJ, lumabas na sa mga findings namin, yung mga dokumento will prove, by Guo Huaping's own answer earlier, umalis siya sa bansa bago pa na draft ng law firm ni na attorney ko yung counter affidavit at ikinabit lang ni Ms. Kath yung signature page. So, what can you say for yourself, Attorney Galicia?
Your Honor, I am again maintaining the confidentiality of the executive session, and I'm invoking my right against self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Well, I'm very sorry to hear that, Attorney Galicia, kasi tinatanong lang sa inyo, namin ni na Senator Joel, yung mga bagay na lumabas na dito in open hearing, not anymore just in
May I
the
ask a
executive
parliamentary
session.
inquiry? May I ask a
Parliamentary inquiry
inquiry
before I return to
Yes,
Mayor
my
Kalugay. Senator
parliamentary
Joel.
inquiry, Madam Chair, is with regard to the information that were divulged in the executive session, and the fact that despite the information that we have gathered here today, Madam Chair, are we not obliged to now divulge some of the information that we have gathered in the executive session?
Actually, Senator Joel and colleagues, dinivulge ko na yung ilang detalye sa in executive session dun sa affidavit ni Kadante na pumayag ang kanilang abogado na i-bring up namin in open hearing. Niredact lang po yung ilang mga detalye para din sa personal na kaligtasan nung ating
Sige po,
file
Madam
doon.
Chair. I will
Yes,
no longer
salamat, Senator
I will no
Joel.
longer belabor the issue, and I would just pound on what Attorney Galicia made mention a while ago. Despite the overwhelming pieces of evidence, despite the overwhelming testimonies, Madam Chair, and he doesn't want to talk about his inability to perform his duties and responsibility as a lawyer, Madam Chair. I am just sorry for him, Madam Chair, and again pound what he made mention that he is also a victim. At it appears that he is a willing victim, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Salamat, Senator Joel.